Downtown Belmont, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are trying to find professional pressure washing in downtown Belmont, North Carolina, this video covers everything you need to know about selecting a trusted contractor, understanding the process, and maximizing results for your property. Our team has extensive experience in cleaning the historic buildings of downtown Belmont, North Carolina, restoring them to their former glory without causing damage. We also provide reliable pressure washing services for sidewalk and driveway cleaning, removing dirt, grime, and oil stains that can harm your property's foundation and curb appeal. Our equipment is specifically designed for downtown Belmont, NC's unique streets and sidewalks, ensuring safe cleaning without damaging the underlying surfaces or nearby vegetation. We use environmentally friendly solutions that are safe for people, pets, and the environment, making our pressure washing services a responsible choice for downtown businesses and residents alike. To protect neighboring properties and prevent damage to walls and foundations, we carefully position our equipment and maintain a safe distance from nearby structures during each cleaning session. Regular pressure washing helps prevent the growth of mold, mildew, and algae on buildings in downtown Belmont, NC, creating a healthier environment for everyone who visits or lives here. As a local business, we understand that property owners in downtown Belmont, North Carolina take pride in their homes and invest time and effort into maintaining them. Regular pressure washing helps prevent the growth of mold and mildew on exterior surfaces, which can lead to costly repairs and health hazards for residents. In addition to keeping properties clean, regular maintenance also extends to our equipment, ensuring it is well maintained and ready for each job in downtown Belmont, North Carolina. We work closely with property managers and homeowners associations in downtown Belmont, North Carolina, providing customized cleaning solutions tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Our pressure washing services are designed to be convenient for busy schedules, offering flexible appointment times and a quick turnaround time to get your property looking its best. The city of Belmont has a lot of character, but that also means its properties can get dirty quickly. When you have a business in the heart of downtown Belmont, North Carolina, every day counts. Pressure washing is an effective way to maintain your property's appearance and value. It can help reduce maintenance costs in the long run by removing dirt and debris that could lead to more significant issues. The team at our pressure washing company has seen many properties in downtown Belmont, North Carolina struggle with algae growth on their sidewalks and driveways. This type of growth can be unsightly and require additional cleaning. By regularly washing your property, you'll not only keep it looking its best, but also show respect for your neighbors and the community as a whole. We take pride in serving the downtown community of Belmont, North Carolina, where we've built strong relationships with local business owners and residents over the years. Our team uses state-of-the-art equipment to ensure a thorough and efficient cleaning process that gets the job done without damaging your property's exterior. From sidewalks to buildings, our pressure washing services can tackle any tough stain or grime buildup that might be affecting your property's curb appeal. We understand the importance of environmental responsibility, which is why we use eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for people, pets, and the environment, perfect for Belmont's family-friendly atmosphere. By partnering with us, you'll not only enjoy a cleaner property, but also support local businesses like ours that contribute to the vitality of downtown Belmont, North Carolina. Professional pressure washing removes dirt, grime, and stubborn stains, restoring your property's curb appeal and extending its lifespan by cleaning surfaces safely and effectively every time. If you are looking for pressure washing in downtown Belmont, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates and scheduling of your pressure washing service today. Click the link below to learn more